Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if this is the first time you're seeing my videos. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about one of the most essential Linux commands for Debian-based systems, the powerful apt-get. Whether you are installing, updating, or removing software, this command has you covered. Let's jump in. The apt-get command is a command line tool used for managing software packages on Debian-based systems like Ubuntu and Kali Linux. It interacts with the apt advanced package tool to install, upgrade, and remove application. So for us to do this command, we do sudo apt-get update. This command updates your system packages list from the repository. It refreshes your system package list from the repositories. It doesn't install anything yet, but it's important to run before upgrading or installing packages. Once I hit enter, it will require me to put my password and it has started updating my packages. Let me exit from it. Let me clear my screen. To upgrade all installed packages, we use the command sudo apt-get upgrade. This command installs the latest versions of all packages currently installed on your system. So if I hit enter, it will start upgrading all the packages in my system. Let me exit. To install a package, you use the command sudo apt-get install the name of the package that you want to install. Let's say for a scenario, I want to install Firefox browser. Once I hit enter, this command is going to install Firefox. So here, in this scenario, you can replace this Firefox with any package that you want to install. Once I hit enter, it will start installing Firefox. I don't want to install it, and let me just exit from it with Ctrl+C. To remove a package, we use the command sudo apt-get remove Firefox. This command will remove the Firefox package but leave the config file behind. So once I hit enter, this command is going to remove Firefox. I don't want to continue, I will just exit. To completely remove a package, we use the command sudo apt-get purge Firefox. This command removes both the program and its configuration. So initially when we use sudo apt-get remove Firefox, once you click enter, it will remove the Firefox, but it will leave config file behind. But in this scenario, it's going to remove both the Firefox and the config file. So once I hit enter, it's going to remove all these things. Let me exit, Ctrl+C, then clear my screen. To clean package cache, we use the command sudo apt-get clean. This clear out the local cache of downloaded .deb files. So once you hit enter, it's going to clean the local cache. To fix broken dependencies, we use the command sudo apt-get install -f. Once I click enter, this command is going to attempt to fix broken or partially installed package. Ctrl C to exit. Let me clear my terminal. And that's it. Now you know how to manage software like a pro using apt-get. If this helped, drop a like, comment, favorite Linux command, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.